Your team may forget. Our AI won't free us. FollowUp keeps everyone on track.
This procedure outlines the steps to activate an active follow-up for a task within Trueaiwork. It ensures timely AI follow-up, and escalations are configured to maintain task compliance and completion. Click the All Tasks section to view all current tasks in Trueaiwork. Click the which task you need, follow-up, open the task details. Click Activate Follow-up to begin setting up the follow-up process for the selected task. Click Daily to set the follow-up reminders to occur every day. Click Specific Time, optional, to specify the exact time for the follow-up notification. Enter 2100 hours as the specific time for the follow-up reminder to be sent. Click Tone options, including polite friendly and professional follow-ups, friendly warm and encouraging communication, and urgent strong emphasis on deadline importance. Click your user to assign the follow-up responsibility to the designated user. Click Escalate After to configure escalation timing for the follow-up process. Enter 3 as the number of days after which the follow-up will escalate if not completed. Click Activate Follow-up to finalize and activate the follow-up settings for the task. Click All Tasks to return to the main task list after activating the follow-up. This procedure successfully activates an active follow-up for a task in Trueaiwork, configuring daily reminders, tone settings, user assignment, and escalation timing to ensure task completion and compliance.